A cat has 9 lives. In European folklore, cats were often seen as magical creatures with extraordinary abilities. The saying, "a cat has 9 lives," refers to the idea that cats are extremely resilient and can survive even the most fatal situations that would harm other animals. If you hear someone use this phrase, they are probably talking about a person who seems to avoid getting hurt, even when they do risky or dangerous things. It's like saying, "this person is very lucky." Example: let's say you have a friend who loves to do crazy tricks on their skateboard. They jump off high places, flip in the air, and do all kinds of dangerous things, yet they never seem to get hurt. You might say, "Wow, my friend is like a cat with 9 lives." In this context, the phrase "a cat with 9 lives" is used to describe someone who takes risks and seems to avoid serious harm despite their dangerous behavior. Conclusion: you can use this phrase when you want to talk about someone who always finds a way out of a difficult situation, or who seems to be very lucky when they take risks. Try using this phrase when you talk about someone who is always escaping danger. It will help you sound more like a native English speaker.